We started our construction division early on, but it really didn't blossom until last couple of years.
It didn't become part of the natural progression of work for a long time because we kept it separate from mitigation. We pulled in 5 managers from 4 different companies, and it's made all the difference in the world. Our whole business plan changed, and that was adding construction. What we learned from all of this is that every other restoration company pulls all their departments together in one group.
Are these all getting mitigation with construction? You got to create an environment of sales.
When you get those mitigation assignments, you send your people out, they are salespeople, they're bringing it to the managers, and it all starts with the guy in the truck. Everybody talks about changing and adapting your business, but we're listening to our customer base telling us what we need to do to change. But how you grow into that is you have to take the risk. You have to be willing and be confident and jump.
If you got customers that have needs, solve those needs. You have the skill set right now to do X. If you want to do Y, you got to change your skill set. So you got to keep reinventing yourself.
You still have to change your business model constantly, but you have to have your people all working together.
All this stuff comes down to people. You got to have the right people, right skills, right motivation, and they got to see the vision. They got to see the vision that where you want to go.
This is why we have those morning meetings, because everybody in the group gets to talk. It comes from an advantage from us because we both have sales backgrounds. Taking what we've learned and try to push that down to everybody so that everybody's always selling. Everybody's always trying to close. The managers that we have, they believe in us and we believe in them. We'd be nowhere if it wasn't for these people. These people are our support and we support them in turn.
And we protect that, and they protect it.
We don't look at this as we are feeding our family. We're feeding 74 families.
It was fascinating for myself to watch my parents grow. It's something that only hard work can do.
Having it be our own and being able to leave it to our family is why we do this every day.